Hey all, it's Randy Baker. Just wanted to go through a quick refresher on what APR is. So if you happen to turn your camera on and you get this message, please execute APR. What you need to do is you need to put your lens cap on the camera and you just hit OK. Okay, so you click OK and then it will say cover the lens to exclude all light and execute APR. You hit execute and it will execute it and that will take care of it. That's it. Now APR will time out. Hit OK, and you're all set. Now, APR will time out after about 10 seconds, so if it times out, that's not a big deal. It'll just show up again the next time you turn your camera on. And APR stands for Automatic Pixel Repair, and that is every time you turn your camera on, the camera is actually looking at the sensor's health and seeing if it's healthy and it doesn't have any bad pixels. So if it detects anything going on with the camera, it will automatically give you that APR and ask you to repair the pixels. And so it's very simple. It will come on all the time. You usually see it in a couple situations after you haven't turned the camera on for a while or after the camera has gone from different temperature changes. If you go outside to inside the air condition, you might see it then. So it's a really simple thing, but it's a good thing to see. You can also go into the menu, and if you go into the menu under I got to remember where it's at now. You will see an APR setting in here, and it's probably under technical. If I go all the way down, monitoring, technical, record, zoom, menu, fan control, lens, APR, here it is. So you can actually go in here as well and click on that, and then execute it, and it will ask you if you want to execute, and you say yes, and it starts executing and finishes, and you're all set. So you can do it a couple different ways. So that's how you do APR. If you have any questions about APR, don't hesitate to reach out to me, but it's a very simple thing and it's a good thing when you see it, so don't freak out about it.